friends, welcome to Tech Easy YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, just we will talk about the Linux shell extensions with examples. Okay, so here, our objective is to essentially run command that affects many files by using the pattern matching feature of Bash shell. Okay, so like this topic is very useful for shell scripting also. Okay. So, like command line expansion can be subdivided into the five types, like breadth expansions, tilde expansions, variable expansions, command substitution, and pattern expansions. So, first one we will discuss about the breadth expansion. Okay, so just here I'm going on my VM, and we will see the example of breadth expansion first of all. Okay. So first LS here. Okay. Now uh, just create a new directory. So here just I am creating a new directory name shell. Okay. And I will uh, practice. We will practice shell here. Okay. So just so here just I ready to that shell. So now you can see that nothing is here. So first of all, let we just want to create the multiple file. Okay, so here we can use the shell extensions like this. Just I want to create uh, 5 files. File name should be file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. So here I don't I just create 5 files by using the single command by using the press extension. Okay, so just put dot dot and 5 here. So what this command will do, this command will create 5 files, name file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. Okay, now let's here, you can see that. So here we just created a 5 and here you can create as much as you want by using a single command. So you can now imagine like here just I want to create a file. Okay, now just I want to create file 11 to 50. Okay, so just ls here you can see that all file is created by using just single command. Okay, so now you can imagine how shell expansion may be powerful. Okay, so it's completely depend on your requirement. Right now just suppose that you want to create a directory, 10 directory. Okay, so just like 10 directory name will be sap. Okay, sorry, yeah. So command is like mkdir sap. Okay, now just create the 10 directory of for sap file. Okay, so just I created. Okay, ls here. You can see that our 10 directory is created in seconds. Okay, so if you do this job manually, then it will take very much time. Okay, also it's not feasible to create that. Okay, just now I want to delete. So just I want to delete everything that start from this is one more cell expansion type. Okay, so this is a pattern like a streak is far just delete everything that mm, comes after file word. Okay, so just I am doing this. Okay, I'm using the rf. Okay, now ls. Here you can see that all files are deleted by just using the single command. So this is the power of this is just a pattern matching operator. Okay. Now just we want to also delete all the save files. So just go here, and now just put a asterisk here. Okay, so just we deleted all the files. Okay, now I want to show one more example. Like if we want to create a file, like which name will be di. Okay, name will be the like file. Okay, 125. Okay, and just we put one more bracket here. So just now try to see what is going to happen here. Okay, like here I put 11 dot 50. Okay, put ls here. Here you can see that file 111 is created, file 112 is created, file 113, file 114. It means what it's doing basically. Just uh, just it takes file 1 from here, and first it create a file 111, and then 1112 and 1113, and so on. So like here just I want to show you by a simple example. So first I'm deleting everything. Like you can use the asterisk here, so it will delete everything that is present in this folder. Okay, so just enter ls here. Now you can see that everything is deleted. Okay, like I want to give a name, like yes, just try to create file with name like file. Okay, e dot not just c is enough. Okay, just put one dot 3. So what it will do? So just see here. So here you can see that file A1, file A2, file A3 is here, and then file B1, file B2, file B3, and then file C1. So this just basically this is just like when you just use echo command, you go file A to C. So in this manner, you are able to understand what this is doing or what this brace is doing. It's just printing from file A to C, everything. Okay, when we just put Z here, it means just it will echo file A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of braces. In the same manner, you can also see that what's this is doing like echo just file. Okay, now 1 to 10 or 100, you can see that. So it's just echoing the complete. So 1 to 100, from 1 to 100, it's meaning we are just giving a range by using the braces. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand usage of braces. Okay, like here if you want to just like here, if you don't want to give range, then you can also like here just you can like comma separated values here, like file 1 2 3 4. Okay, file d 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what this command will do here, you can see that it just print. Okay, here you can see that file D1, file 2, D2, file D3, file D4 is just equal. Okay, so you can create the file. You can basically use these braces expansion everywhere where you can think. Just okay. Just I showed the example by creating the directory by echoing it, and by creating the files. Okay, but it's completely new. You can use the breast expansion whenever you require. So now I hope you are able to understand what is the just meaning of this breast expansion or and how this can be useful to your work. Okay, just now LS here. Okay, now just I want to delete everything which is present here. Okay, so just put this. Okay, LS here. Now everything is deleted. So here now we just completed the breast expansion. Now just want to know about the tilde expansion. So basically, if you're aware about the tilde, if you don't aware about tilde, then just try to see the command output. So it's saying it's basically printing the current home directory of current user. Okay, just now I switch to another user. Okay, okay, we are not able to switch. So first we took the root. Okay, root into. So first we add a user here like by using a user command. We add the user like here cell user. Okay, so just give a password to cell user. Okay, now just switch to the cell user. So why you can now this is the not topic how you can solve it. So because it's like here we are facing permission denied error. We will troubleshoot that error, but now this is out of scope. So just I am switching to root user. So I will troubleshoot why this is here. Okay, it's saying best RC permission denied. It means some best RC file did not have permissions. Okay. Okay, just now that is out of scope, so that I am not covering that. Okay, so now I hope you are able to understand. Like just if you want to, like here, I am using PWD to see my present working directory. So it's showing root cell is my present working directory. Now just I want to use a tilde expansion here. So what this tilde will do? So just by using this here you can again use PWD. Now our root user is in their home directory. Okay. So if you want to just go into the home directory, you can just put this tilde operator here. Okay. So this is all about tilde expansion. So basically it's a symbol that expands as a user home directory. Okay. Like when just you want to just we first like city to cell. Okay, sorry. CD to root and then just go to the cell. Okay, just now, just this time, I just want to like just if you want to create a directory in user home directory, then just you can put a tilde here. Okay, so just I want to make a directory. Okay, and directory name will be like it will sorrow. Okay. So just I created a directory in user's home directory. Okay, so ls here is this is created here not. So it just created in the root user's home directory. So just cd to user's home directory. Now you can see that pwd you are in home directory. You can ls here and you can see that Saurabh directory is here. Okay, so Saurabh directory is created here. So in the manner you can understand the concept of tilde expansion. Okay, so just we move to our next one. Okay, that is variable expansion. Okay, so what is variable? So variable is a value that can vary. Okay, so like here just we want to create a variable val is equal to 1. Okay, now just echo. So when you want to print any variable, then we have to give her name followed by a dollar symbol. Okay, so here you can see that now echo is we just created a variable name. So this echo like here we have some rules to create variable names, like variable names cannot be start with any number or underscore. Okay, so that are the some rules. So here just our value is expanded like here. Okay, uh, expanded with 1. So in the same manner, we can give more value like just we are able to select. Okay, if you aware with the programming, any programming language, then you know what's the variable and what is the use cases of variable. Okay, so just you have to put dollar symbol to expand the variable. Okay, like just here I created one more variable name flag. Here you can see that mm, flag has value 12. Okay, here you can also create a variable like with some text value, like just I want to expand this with echo with each sort of thing. Okay, and one variable can also contain another variable, so don't be confused with that. So just I want to print the value. Okay, so here you can see that it is saying echo this is sort of thing. Okay, so here this is the just example of variable expansion. You can also use. So basically we use this in our entire course, but just here I am doing how you can just use the things and what are the just extensions we can use in our commands. Okay. Okay. So just I am going to another one. So variable expansion is completed. Okay. Like fourth one is the command execution, command substitution. Okay. So like sometimes we can substitute any command. Like if you want to show the output update command, or you can just put our backup name with date parameter or time parameter so that it is memorable when it's created. Okay. So that in the case we can just use the command substitution. Okay, so just here we can see the example of command substitution. Like here I'm clearing and just in pwd. Okay, just cd to cell. Okay, now what we will do just let we create a file name. Okay, like here first of all let I will show what is the meaning of command extension. Okay, so just using today is okay. Now here you can see that I am just going to use a command here. Like I am just going to use the date command here. Okay. So just it's just printing the today date. Okay. So if you want to print the complete output update, then you can just give in this manner. Like it's just here you can see like today is Monday, August 30th, 223:45. You can also just like if you want to create a file with a complete day stamp. So what you can create, like you can create touch, okay, and file, okay, followed by this date. Okay, sorry. So here you can see that what is your file name. So in this format you are not able to understand file. Okay, so just like if you want to just create a file, so like followed by the day and date. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, just I am showing how like if you want to just create a file name followed by the day. Okay, so okay, sorry, I'm making mistake basically. Okay, just detail SFNLTR here. Okay, here you can see that it's taking everything is in different output, but here when like first time it's created this file, but now this time it's created a single file. So why? Because this time just we gave a wrong command because this is expanded in like yes, this output format. Okay. So our touch command takes every parameter as a file name. Okay. So it just created this like 0, 0 to 24 to 7 and 2023, 21, August, file 1, Monday, file 1 IST PM. Okay. So that's why it just created that. But here just I am explaining the concept of expansion. So here you can see that how that thing is working. Okay. So here just I created one more file name with followed by the command extension. Like our command is expanded as a Monday. Okay. So this is the complete idea. Okay. Of command extension. Okay. Some more command extension can be also used here. Okay. But just I am not showing that. Okay. Okay, just we are moving to our next one, which is the path name expansion. So these are the most important one. So here, like path name expansion are also known as globbing. Okay, is one of the most useful feature of Bash. With this feature, it is easier to manage many files by using the meta characters that expand to match the file and path names that you're looking for. Command can act as a focus set of file at once. Okay, as I already discussed this asterisk. Okay, now we will see one example of like this. What is the use of this single word and what is the these parameters? Okay, so we will also discuss about this. Like here you can say that asterisk is matches any string of zero or more characters and what question mark just check for any single character, and if you just put one more question mark here, so it will just search for two characters, and in the same, if you put the three question mark, then it's just for the search for the match for three characters. Okay, here you can see that ABC can be used any one character in the enclosed class between the square bracket. Okay, so not ABC, it means any one character not in the enclosed class. Same meaning is also with caret ABC, and you can use the alphanumeric lower, upper, alphanumeric, and punctuation digit space in the same manner. Okay, like here you can see that. So these are rarely used, but knowledge sharing for just your knowledge, just I am sharing this. Okay, we will see the basic examples of more pattern matching. Okay, okay. So first of all, we want to just uh, create some files here. Okay, like just I created some file. Okay, 125. Just now I want to create XYZ. Okay, so just we created some files. You can see that these files are created. Okay, so you can use the single command for creating this, by which I use it three times, but you can just do same task by using the single command also. Okay, so what just I want to do, just I want to see the all the files that start with the A. So just we can use the A asterisk, as I also saw the use case of asterisk. Asterisk means just find every pattern. Okay, so every possible pattern there, like it's just showing the anything that start with A. Okay, so in the same manner, when just we put after the X, just it will show everything that start from X. Okay, now let just I put it after before like 5. So what this will show, it's saying, it's showing everything that ends with the 5. Okay, so when we put asterisk here, so it show me the everything that is present here. Okay, so now I hope you are able to understand the concept of asterisk. Okay, now just I want to show the concept of what. Okay, just I'm putting a single question mark here. Okay, so here it's saying ls cannot access no such file or directory. Okay, now just put the double question mark here. So what it's basically doing is just matching the number of characters present in file. Like here you can see that when just we put the two question mark symbol, so it just match for everything that has two characters. Okay. Now just I just want to search for the everything that has three characters. Okay. So now here you can see that it's showing me the output of everything that has three characters. Now this time just I want to see everything that has four characters. So it's just showing me. Okay. In the same manner, you can also print for 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So this is the use case of this. And one more thing, like here in command expansion, I had to explain, like you can use the bang bang or exclamation symbol to just executing the previous command. Okay, as I just executed the previous command just by using this. Okay, now no history is uh, no history is recorded for bang bang because this actually work on history. It's basically executing the last command. Okay, so that's why. Okay, now you can also understand the concept of till, like it will just list everything that is present in home directory, not in the current, because just it expanded as the user home directory. So it's showing the content of user home directory, not the content of this present directory. Okay.